Hi, are you a parent of autism child, or is anyone in your family is affected by stroke or cerebral palsy, or you know anyone who is going under these mental challenges, or is there any delay in the developmental growth for your children? You are in the right place. You're looking at the specific Supra Brain video, and we have helped numerous children in various countries getting back to their milestone, achieving greater success in autism children, reducing the hyperactiveness, enhancing the cognitive side of it. With cerebral palsy child, more flexibility in the body, more cognitive, more speech development. And with stroke patient, we have achieved, we have literally taken care of all those memory challenges. We have enhanced the flexibility of the hands that needs to be functional. So these are few things that we have achieved with our product Supra Brain. Now, if you don't know me, I'm the founder and I'm a stem cells consultant, wherein I consult different children, different patients from around the world. We have also our hospital back in India, in Bangalore. I also have few of my partners hospital in different countries. So this specific video, we would like to make sure that more and more people are aware of the product Supra Brain. Supra Brain has been able to achieve wonderful results when it comes to various brain and related neuro-related challenges, and I can proudly say that we are in the top 5 who have achieved to a considerable results in brain and neuro ways. And so the reason I'm trying to make sure that this video reach out to different people so that they're aware of this product Supra Brain. If you go by the numbers these days, the number of incidents in stroke is extremely higher, and as per the WHO and other CDC, they predict that 85% of the patients can be prevented if they're using Supra Brain. So yes, similar in autism cases, we have many children, wherein the goal in autism children is to give them an independent life where they can lead happily, where their cognitive is developed, where they can do lots of good stuff around. I'm okay with it if anyone comes and tell me I'm not interested in your product. At least I have achieved my goal. I have achieved to make sure that this product is able to help people. It's okay for us to not, if someone is not buying. It is not okay for me, it's not okay for my team in Nigeria, in other countries, if people are not aware of this product. You have a product that helps you in various complex cases, starting from Parkinson's, autism, cerebral palsy, epilepsy, Down syndromes, developmental challenges, seizures, dementia, Alzheimer. We have numerous patients, but if you compare it with the population in the whole world, we are not there. People don't know what is Supra Brain. So my goal is to help more and more people. With this video, I'm trying to request all my friends, all the parents, everyone who is viewing this video, please share it as much as possible so that someone somewhere who needs help is at least aware of this product Supra Brain. Now we have our official partners in Nigeria. We are also present in Zambia. We are also present in Zimbabwe. If we are also looking forward to people who wants to come and help and take agencies in different countries, because I alone cannot achieve this. We need a group of people. My team need a group of people who can come and who can help. There is a specific cause. The cause is, let's make sure that this product is aware. If you're thinking that I'm telling you something loud, please go into the internet and try and search. You will see numerous testimonies. We purposefully keep the testimony as a raw format so people understand, people see the emotions that is being discussed on those WhatsApp messages, on those videos, on those specific images. So this is Partha, guys. I will make sure that I'm doing couple of videos every day about this product Supra Brain, sharing some wonderful testimonies that people are getting better, and there is hope. There is hope in stroke, there is hope in autism, there is hope in cerebral palsy, there is hope in epilepsy, Parkinson's, dementia, Alzheimer, everything. There is hope, and the hope is SupraBrain. Yes, you will see this logo Enkeltech and SupraBrain, and we better be aware that a lot of other people who try and morph this product. We're also coming up with few holograms which is not there right now. We also have other products for complex cases, like in certain cases we add our vegan special needs omega-3 that is only being manufactured for special children. We also have Funbreeze, a stem cells product that takes care of various ailments. So this is Partha, guys. I will put my number on the description, and I will also put how do you reach out. If you are a patient from Nigeria, please reach out to us. We'll share the official partner. We have our office based in Abuja, 22 Kumasi Street. We are also going to have various in-person seminars very soon, and a lot of other. If you're in different countries, just let me know. We are always available on WhatsApp to discuss, to consult. This is Partha, guys. I'm looking forward. I hope you buy this. This can be used as from a normal person also, anyone who is in corporate sector, any sector which has more stress. Of course, all sector has stress. You can use it. I use it every day, couple of capsules in a day, one in the morning, one in the night after the food, to get better effectiveness. So yes, autism children, autism parents can develop speech, can develop mental growth, can develop cognitive. There is no seizures. We have patients who have used it without any seizures. The attacks that they used to have, Parkinson's, all those tremors of hands has completely gone off. You need to use it for certain time. Yes, herbals at least they need to use for 3 to 4 months to see a greater effectiveness. This is Partha, guys. I'm looking forward. I'm trying to help you guys to make sure that this product is being aware in the market, and I request you through this video, please make sure that you share this video as much as possible, so someone in somewhere needs the product or needs help, they are aware of this thing, and I will try and make sure that I deliver those products to them. This is Partha, guys, signing off. You have a wonderful day ahead. Take care.